In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to find some really awesome killer domain names. So we're going to start here in ChatGPT, and I'm just going to feed it a simple prompt, and I'm just going to tell it to give me 50 .com domain name ideas about roofing, no more than 2 words. So obviously you can take roofing out and you can put your own keyword in there, whatever you want your website to be or whatever. You could be about reviews, it could be about anything. So put in your own keyword other than roofing, or if you want to do roofing, you can do that. And then we'll just hit enter. And here it's going to give us 50 ideas. And here it's going to, as we can see, toproofs.com, roofhive.com, apexroofs.com, roofgenie.com, skycover.com, boldroofs.com, peakworks.com, roofchamps.com. So it's giving us some really cool ideas. So all we're going to do here is we can go ahead and copy all of these. So let's just highlight all of these and we'll copy them. Now we're going to head on over to Namecheap. So let's go over to Namecheap, and we can use Namecheap's free tool to do these all at once. So once you're over in a Namecheap, go ahead and hit Beast Mode. Beast Mode, it will allow you to enter up to 5,000 domain names at once, and it's going to check them all at once to see if any of them are available. So let's go ahead and paste what ChatGPT gave us, and we'll go ahead and scroll down here. Now you can uncheck show premiums if you don't want to pay more than the $10 or whatever that it gives you. You can hide the unavailable, but I noticed that if I uncheck this and if I uncheck show premiums and check hide unavailable, then it takes so much longer to do. So I just leave it like this and then hit generate. And once it's generating, it's going to go ahead and it's going to look up each one of these and see if they're available. So while this is going, what I like to do is go back to ChatGPT and I'll tell it 50 more. And here are 50 more. So while it's doing this, I'll go back to Namecheap, and then they does take a little while to do, so it may take a minute or two. So you can see that these here are premiums. They're like $6,000 domain names. So just scroll down, and what we're looking for is we're looking for something that's like $10. So other than the ones that say make offer, they're already taken. So here's one that's available. It's $958 a year. Stormguardroof.com. So obviously we can buy that. Up to uptoproofs.com. silvershieldroofs.com. And then you can buy these. You can just add these to the cart if you want to buy them from here. You can add it to the cart, and you'll only be paying $958 a year. Or if you're a first-time customer, you can use this Newcom 98 and get it for your first domain for $5.98. And here's a .net, summitroofers.com, skyguardroof.com is available, topchoiceroof.com, that's a good one, Top Choice Roof. Shieldroofs.net is another one. So what we can do is we can hit clear here. We'll go back and let's go ahead and we'll copy these, the second ones. And let's go ahead and paste them in and hit generate. And it's going to go ahead and check these. So here it's already finding royalroof.net. Not bad. apexguardroofs.com, boldpeakroofs.com, precisionroof.net is a good one. So as you can see, it's finding a lot of good ones that are available to buy right now for $10. So even the .nets are good. Either a .com or a .net I wouldn't get anything else. But it shouldn't give you, I noticed that ChatGPT, even though you tell it a .com, it will give you some .nets, which is fine. If you don't want to buy the .nets, you don't have to. Or you can put .com. When you put in your prompt, you can tell it at the end .coms only. And it should give you .com only. So trustyroofs.com, eliteshieldroof.com, RiseGuardRoof.com, CastleRoofs.net, and on it goes on and on and on. You can keep doing this. 50, you come back, tell it 50 more, or you can type in continue and it'll give you 50 more if you hit if you type continue. So you can do this with any topic, and you can just keep doing this until you find some really good domain names that you like. Either you can use them for yourself, you can sell them to your clients, you can use them for selling online, like you can sell them on GoDaddy auctions, you can sell them on Namecheap auctions, you can sell them on Flippa, you can sell them on, what's the other one, Sea-Doo. So there's a lot of places where you can buy these domains and you can go online and you can sell them to people that they would really, really resonate with. So I hope you found this video helpful. You can do this in ChatGPT. Go on over to Namecheap, paste them in to the beast mode. Click beast mode right here on the front of the screen, on the front homepage, and then just paste them right here, and that'll do you right here, and then you can just buy them right from this screen. So I hope you found this video helpful to you. If you did, please give it a like below. Also subscribe to the channel for more ChatGPT videos, especially ChatGPT videos on how to make money with it. So as I test more things out, I'll definitely be bringing them to you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.